Open them up. Makes it sound like shit. Today I have something very cool. I am getting a new exhaust on the 992 GT3, and this time I'm talking about F1 sounds. I'm talking about cup car. I'm talking about making your ears bleed, and that's because we have a brand new full header system, not just the muffler, to really change the sound of the 4-liter flat 6 engine. Now, what makes the difference between the other exhaust mufflers that we've played with? Because this is my 4th exhaust. First thing that we're gonna do here is an exhaust system. We're gonna do a titanium exhaust system. So we've got a whole entire new exhaust system. This exhaust has the headers, and when you just do a muffler with the stock cats, it's not loud at all. Yeah, it's great for emissions, but you know what it does? It makes it sound like we've changed that, and we've got the brand new exhaust from Armytrix 992 GT3 complete exhaust system. Armytrix is a company that makes so many different exhaust systems to cover just about any awesome tuner car, and I'm talking about the Audi S4, the BMW M3, M4, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Supra, GTR, more, and that's because Armytrix is a dedicated 100% exhaust company that makes the coolest Valvetronic design systems. Now, as I dive into the box here, I need you guys to comment down below and let me know what you drive, because we want to bring the content to you. We want to make sure that we've got the coolest videos coming hot. So make sure, again, you drop the comment right there. And of course, like, subscribe as well. So let's open this thing up. Very well packed. This is shipping from the factory direct in Taiwan. They design, engineer, and manufacture everything over there, and it is beautiful. There we go. There is one header. This is a beauty. And if you haven't seen our other videos, that is the crazy flange the 992 GT3 uses. There's header number 2. I did get some cool exhaust tips for this as well. I lied. I just got one exhaust. It's like popcorn fishing, and I didn't do well. Here's the one exhaust tip. The infamous Armytrix hardware box, and that is gonna have our clamps. Hopefully a sticker. I love their hats as well. We have Armytrix exhaust tip number 2. How excited are you? That's because you commented down below already and said, hey, idiot, let's see the exhaust. What is this? I have no idea what this is. I think these are the straps needed to mount the exhaust. All right, finally, can we do this one hand? This is the full muffler system that replaces the factory exhaust. There it is, the big trumpet horn system itself. Is this one side? This is just one side. There's 2 sides in here because it's an X merge. Let's see if we can grab the other one. There it is. It's the other exhaust system. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We have the not stainless steel, not titanium, but the bubble wrap edition. So I finished unwrapping the exhaust, and I have it laid out here on the table for you. So let me get you that first dramatic cinematic shot so you can take this all in on the shipping table. You guys ready? Here it comes. How was that? That was the cinematic shot of the new exhaust system on the table. Here it is. It is all polished stainless steel, TIG welded. It's got the factory electronic valves to mount on there, so when I turn it from sport and track, the exhaust opens up. Armytrix carbon fiber tips. I really like these instead of the standard like stainless ones or whatnot. And of course, to make sure the carbon fiber stays very good, not falling off, cracking, whatnot, they reduce the heat because they have a metal insert inside them. Now, what's a big difference between the exhaust system we have here and cars that we might see in Europe or Asia? They have something called OPF. I don't know what that is, but OPF is something we do not have here on most cars here in the US, and is it additional sensors that go in on the cats. This has 200 cell high flow cats on there. With the OPFs, we have to simply just cap them off. So the US market exhaust that will be released will not have the OPF bungs for them, but you can see here, OPF bungs that we just have to put on the cap and insert, and boom, no more worries. But we do have the bungs for the stock O2 sensors. Because the exhaust is running 200 cell high flow cats, you probably won't have an issue with any check engine lights. And I say probably because this is a new system, but I am going to be doing the VR tuned ECU flash on my 992 GT3 because I want the infamous pops and bangs. That's right, pops and bangs, the most hated thing ever, and very well known from every kid that owns an F80, M3, or M4. So here it is, the full exhaust system. So beautiful. All the polishedness, all the bungness, the thick flanges, very detailed in there. You can see they've got this thing designed to sound amazing and make some horsepower. This should be pretty fun and sound pretty awesome here. I'm really excited about those carbon fiber tips, but of course I'm excited because Armytrix always has an amazing system, and this along with the VR-Tune ECU flash should make the car have some great power and even sound awesome with the additional pops and bangs. So it's time to get the exhaust off and put this new Armytrix exhaust on. All right, Armytrix exhaust is fully installed. We're gonna do the first startup here. Little sneak peek at the beautiful Armytrix carbon fiber tips. They're just peeking out. Let's jump in and see how this sounds. All right, let's rev it. Oh my God, that's just normal. Open them up. That sounds so good. Now we gotta take this thing out and blast it down the highway to hear what it really sounds like. I'm super pumped. 9,000 RPM, here we come. Let's go, let's take this out. So I thought I'd come here to a little place I like to call the Mountain of the South Dragon. If you know, you know. We're gonna put some cameras on here and go up these nice little roads and let you hear how the Armytrix sounds, because we'll probably be in literally second or third gear at most. It'll probably sound pretty cool. The burbles with the VR tuned, and obviously is just the way that GT3 engine sounds. So let's let you enjoy this music. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Armytrix exhaust on my 992 GT3. Armytrix is just an awesome way to go. And of course, they have exhaust systems for all types of cars, for BMW, for Ferrari, for Lamborghini, for Audi, for the Nissan GTR, for so many. So if you guys want to see what exhausts are available for your car, make sure you check us out, vividracing.com. I will drop the links below. If you want to get one of these awesome hats, hit the link in the description. All right, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.